Right, I'm just going to do a wee quick review of Zippo fuel canister I bought. As you'll see, there's a couple. I'm not too happy with my experiences so far. This one here was the first one that I got. It has a few problems with it. First thing I noticed is, went to fill it up, I mean, great engineering, Zippo usually. I've been a Zippo customer for about 30 years, and I can't say I've had any problems really. That's just a dog. Good design. Unscrew that, it's got a seal in there. It's got a wee hole to let the vapour in, and a wee hole and a nozzle to put it out. Rubber does go a wee bit funny, so you just got to watch. Got that up there. Fuel in there. Right. Then you've got this lid, which has a keyring on it. Oh, there's one of the faults straight away. It's supposed to have a clip that goes on there. There is a fault. I don't know if it's just the batch I've got or what, because the Zippo, you'd expect them to be made in the USA, but I noticed on the back of this it says manufactured to Zippo quality standards in China. Then it's got the Zippo address. There's the part number and that up the top there. Well, it looks genuine package. I've contacted the seller that I've got it off eBay. As soon as I noticed this, that was as soon as I'd filled this up, I came back through it, went to put it onto my belt loop on my work trousers, and it fell to bits. There was no clip on it. That's how easy it is to get these off. Right. It seems harder to get it back in. Right. Seems to be one special bit, and then I noticed that it fell off later on. And that's supposed to be your flint holder. It does have a wee metal bit you can use for opening your flints up, and a keyring. I think they should have put a couple of straps of wire around that, or a bit of metal, and put the rubber inside it, myself personally. That there, a wee cam like that should never work like that. I mean, look. Right, there we go. That should never be that. So somebody at their quality control in this China isn't doing their job right when it comes to things like that. This one here is the replacement. Just got this through today. You'll notice it's basically the same. Right. I'm going to zoom in a wee bit more just now, so as you can see this better. Right, I'll just take that out of the way. That's the return envelope for the seller, and I've managed to get them to pay for the postage, which can't grumble. Right, as you'll see, the hole for that has obviously got a problem. It's too big. Does seem to be a notch where it catches and it just falls out. Right, rest it okay. That wee bit of wire and that, as I say. This one here, that's how I've brought it out of the packet. Right, we'll just try again, a wee wiggle. Broken. Right, there you go. I mean, they wee things. Alright, they might be cheap as chips. Right, but there's, I could pick up many a thing in my house that rely on them for strength. They're cheap. They're the sort of things that hold my kilt and everything on. So they shouldn't be as insecure as that. And I'm an avid Zippo customer. And then there's 1, 2. I'm a collector as well. 3. I also carry about 2 lighters with me most of the time. One in the old leather. And one in the new plastic. So yeah, I do like my Zippos and I do like the products. And that's without me even going hunting. They're quite good. Just got to watch you catch a t-shirt in it, but apart from that, it's good. I wasn't 100% happy with that. Zipping on, clipping on like that, because it does pop off quite a lot with that. Apart from that, and that doesn't seem to lose very often. But it'd been better if that loop was big enough and sewn back in. That's my own personal opinion, or a better clasp than that. You know, but apart from that, it's a couple of year old, done me good stead. Oil lighters. I've had for that one there, 12 years I've had that at least. I've given away more Zippos than I know what to do with. But I'm not happy with that. Somebody's needing to take account for that. I mean, that's that 4.5. That, I reckon that'll go in no time at all. See, it's got big flaws on it. There's that back in. Nah. Right, well, I've emailed the seller, see what they want me to do again with. I could easy enough sort that myself. What is a case of opening that ring up and putting another one in, but when you're paying for something, you expect it to be quality, especially if you're a name like Zippo. We'll see what they say, because I've contacted them to, at the end of the day they need to know what's been done in their name, since they're not actually making them. Right, I'll love yous and leave yous. Yous have a nice day. Thanks for watching this wee review. Bye.